Now the roof construction is a little bit different. So here we are, we've created this level called top of wall, my section 2. There it is there. We don't really need a level above that, to be honest with you. You know, levels are for floor plans and things like that. So some people do put a level up here, but I don't recommend it. So I've got my top of wall, and that is kind of, it's a good position in terms of positioning your wall plate and where your trusses are going to land and whatever. So now again, remember with the view range, we're starting off at 0 here. The cut plane is at 1.3 and the top view is at 2.3. That is why we're looking at this here. Now, to do a proper roof plan, what I would need to do is change the view range here, and I'm going to bring that up to 6 meters and bring the cut line up to 5 meters and apply, and okay, now there I get my full roof. Now you probably notice as well that we have the flat roof here, and it would be nice to be able to show that on the roof plan. So I'm going to go back to that view range that we talked about again, so or the plan region that we talked about, and again I'm going to roughly from say that point there and drag out, and I'm going to use my grids here. See my grids, so I can roughly position where that's going to be, and escape. Let's change the view range, and again we're working downwards here. So I'll make that one 50. This one is going to be about minus 240, is it something like that? Minus 3, and this one has to be minus 4. Let's apply an OK and finish and see how we get on there. Okay, so there's my flat roof plan in my roof plan. Now that I've got that done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate with detailing. And I'm going to rename this one, and this is going to be called my roof plan. Construction. Okay. Now, probably the best way to do this is to pick your roof, right-click, and go into Hide in View Elements. There you go. Look, you've got all your trusses and everything else there. At this point, again, you can start putting your notes in and dimensions, spacing between your trusses and things like that. I think that'll do the trick for you if I'm picking that up right. Always be careful. See this little command down here called the detail level. Sometimes Revit will pop back into coarse, and that's what you get. You just get those lines there, but if you bring that back up to fine, we should be good. And that is basically your roof plan with your trusses set out there. Okay.